Welcome to Carly Tackles managing your spam emails that you don't want, the promotional emails you sometimes want to see, and your primary emails that you always want. To accomplish all of this, I use UnrollMe. It comes in an app as well as available on the website. The apps are completely free. It's available in Google Play for Android and in the App Store for Apple users. If you've ever used a dating app, you might find this similar. You swipe left for the emails you don't want, and you swipe right for the emails that you want to keep. I'll demo this and a little bit farther down in the video. One of my favorite things about this app is its unsubscribe feature. When you get emails that you don't want, typically you'd have to scroll all the way down, find the link that said unsubscribe, and maybe even fill out a form to accomplish this. This app helps you do all of that with a simple swipe to the left. In your app store, search for UnrollMe and download. When you first open the app, it's going to ask you to select your email type. For this example, I have a Gmail. It's also going to ask you to go through some privacy things and agree to the terms and conditions. Google wants me to go to their website to sign in, so I select my account and I enter my password. Google also wants me to enable the two-step verification, which is growing in popularity these days. If you don't see your account, click Add Account. If you do see your account, you can just select it. Because my account was not there, I need to manually enter my email address. And then type in my password again. Part of a two-step verification is to have an extra step beyond password. One option is to connect your cell phone number and receive text messages when it's trying to be used. My text message comes in with my verification code and I enter that in and I am finished turning on my two-step verification. Next, we are creating a password specifically for UnrollMe to use logging into Google. So again, you're going to type in your normal password into Google's website. And then you're asked if you want to generate a password automatically or manually. I chose automatically because I don't care. Then click Link Mailbox and you're done. You do not need to do that every time. This is just the setup. It's super easy once you have it all set up. The app is also going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the app. Once you've completed the tutorial, it'll ask you if you want to enable notifications. I'm not a big fan of notifications, so I said not now. And then it continues to examine your email account. So it said it found 5 subscriptions, and now I can see this in card view. If I don't want this, I can unsubscribe by swiping to the left. If it's something I want every so often to check, I swipe straight up for roll up. And if it's something I want to keep, I always want immediately in my inbox, I swipe to the right. You can accomplish the same thing in list view. You can swipe either left or right to see your options and then select which one. I selected unsubscribe for that. When you have no more emails to categorize, you'll be taken to this screen. If you're ever worried that you accidentally unsubscribed or clicked rolled up, you can click the edit pencil and you'll take it to this. So you can see all of the ones you said keep, all the ones you said roll up, all the ones you said unsubscribe, and you can change it. So if I made a mistake with my roll up and I really wanted to unsubscribe, I can find it, click unsubscribe. Here is a look at how this would be on a website on your computer. And it's very simple to sign in once you've already set up your account. For my Google, I select Use Other Account because I did not see the email address. Manually type that in and select my password. And then I have my two-step verification. My phone received an email and I confirmed it from my phone. And now I'm opening up the Unroll.me in my website. I get a quick little tutorial how it works on the web versus the app. It found those 5 email subscriptions and then realized I've already submitted the changes. So it says that I am done. At the top, you can view the emails that you said roll up in their alphabetical order. You can then choose your inbox. These are the ones you said you wanted to keep. And then you see your unsubscribe. Just like on the app, you can change your settings. So if I wanted to move that one to my roll up and then I can move it back to unsubscribe, and also you can select keep an inbox. So if you ever accidentally set something, you can always undo it, or maybe you want to change your mind later. The next thing I want to walk you through are the settings. You can get to this from the app or the web. You get an email every day with all of your roll-ups consolidated into one email, which I like because it saves my email from being blasted. And you can choose what time of day you get them. Evening, morning, or afternoon. I typically choose evening so I have a chance to catch them all for that day. Here's what that UnrollMe email looks like. This is on my computer. I have one in my inbox, and when I click on it, it opens all of the roll-up emails that I got for that day. Now I only had one in this example, but you can have multiples and you can just scroll through them. Here's an example of what that would look like on your phone. When you're done, you can just delete this email. You're not deleting the real email that came in. In fact, you can still get to those real emails by looking in your folders. Unroll.me creates a folder for your different email accounts and where it stores all your roll-up emails. So if there's something you need to click on in the email, you could get to it by going to that folder. Here is that same email that appeared to me in my roll-up. I went to Unroll.me folder and found it. And now I can click on the links and view it for myself. Unroll.me is not limited to just one email. You can sign up all of your emails for this app, whether it's Gmail, Hotmail, or Yahoo. And you can easily switch between your accounts by clicking on them. If watching this video has sparked your interest, but yet you still have some more questions, Unroll.me has a great FAQ section. These are some of the questions and answers you can find. In the video description below, you'll see a link to the website as well as the FAQ section, so check it out. Just a reminder, Unroll.me is free. They did not reach out to me and ask me to make this video. I've just been using this app for months now and really like what I'm seeing. It's organizing my emails and helping me unsubscribe of my unwanted emails. So I thought I would share it with you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you'd like to see more videos similar to this one, please check out my channel, Carly Tackles DIY, Tools and Gadgets, Tips and Tricks. Make sure you hit that bell to receive notifications when I release new content.